So let's take a look at CADJPY. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So if you should take this CADJPY, we would want to know the trend, right? And we can start this trend is actually a downtrend. Like you always say, trade with the trend. Like the trend is always your friend. So definitely all what we would want to do on CADJPY is actually trade with the trend. So we can start this CADJPY is a bearish move. So see this movement like this as a drop, then a pullback. If you take a look at this again, a drop, you can see that this drop took out the previous lows, and here happens to be a pullback. If you take a look at this again, another lows that took out this previous lows, and then a pullback was made here. If you take a look at this again, another lows was made that took out this previous lows, and this is a pullback. This is a pullback. So what we will be expecting for the next day on CADJPY is another drop, by the way. So for today, which is 24th, CADJPY kind of gave us a bearish move, which was not much movement, right? So let's see on the 25th, which is the next day, we would expect more drop. One of the reasons why I said so is that, JPY is going bullish. So if JPY is going bullish, any other peers we would be trading to JPY should give us a bearish move. So take a look at this JPY as an impulse move, then a pullback, a new highs here, and then a pullback. If you should take a look at this, a new highs that took out the previous highs, and then a pullback. Now this is a new highs that took out this previous highs, and this is a pullback. So we would be expecting a new highs on JPY. So today we actually closed bullish on JPY. This is one of the reasons why CAD to JPY gave us a bearish move. So for the next day on JPY, you will still expect another bullish move. That is to tell you that JPY to CAD for the next day will give us a bearish move. So down to the forward time frame, I think a drop is starting to play out. So let's start this like a drop, a pullback. You see the pullback did not take out this lows here. Then another drop that took out this previous lows, and here will be seen as a pullback. So since this pullback has not taken out this lower highs, right, then I expect this CADJPY to actually drop again. So for the next day, another bearish move is to be made on CADJPY.